How to use Temu group buy Temu group buy for better deals. Now, Temu's business model is rooted in team up price drop concept, a form of group buying, non a form of group buying, where collective purchasing power is used to secure deeper discount. So, what you want to do is first thing first, open your Temu app. So, while Temu has evolved to a primary use in app game, referral programs, and flash sale to drive user engagement and offer discount, the core concept of group buying can still be leveraged, often through social sharing and community coordinations as well. So, what you actually want to do is you could utilize a referral program and social sharing. So, the most common way to currently benefit from group power on Temu is through their extensive referral system and in-app games, and which requires you to invite new users to a platform to unlock significant reward or price reductions. Now, what you want to do is just want to find your link, share widely, and track the process. That's how you're going to use Temu Group Buy for better deals. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.